Hello, teacher. Sorry, I'm late. Why are you late? Sit down, please. Okay, thank you. Okay, students, look at the board. Today is 7th of July. Please open your books. Please go to page 10. Stand up, please. Sit down, thank you. Our lesson have finished. Close your books.
Ал менің орнымда оқушылар болса, келесі сөздерді айтады. How do you spell it? Can you repeat that, please? Teacher, excuse me, what's kitap in English? Егер түсінбеген болсаңыз, I don't understand. Сұрақ қойғанда жауап бере алмай білмей тұрсаңыз, I don't know.